Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making another big boat. Another big boy boat. So you probably want to know why. Why? Why you want to make another boat that's big? Like an aircraft carrier. Yes, it is an aircraft carrier. I wanted to make it big because my other one was like poop and small. So yeah. Then I got a whole bunch of portals. Up there. One over there. And then here, and then there, here, and then there. Because this thing is going to be big. There's stations. Going to there. Take this back. Going to there. And then this to there. Okay, everything should be set now. So now I'm going to make some funny stuff. I'm going to set a... I'm going to set a thing. And then I'm going to set 2 more chairs, just in case. And then I'm going to probably bind... Yep, I knew it. They always go to a controllable seat. I don't get it. It's supposed to be a pilot seat. They still go over there. Bro. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, just double checking. Okay, so now I can... Oh, I wanna make something new with my boat. So I'm just going to put a whole... Now each place will have a station, and the station will have a shield generator. So one we'll have right there. So we have one right there. One there, one there, one there. Wait. Okay, those are all of our shield generators. Now I'm going to go to whatever place and then put a button. Now let me get my button. Where is it? Right on top. No, this doesn't really matter. Okay, we're going to put a button every single place we have. So look, if I place a button right there, and I'm also going to try to make one, I'm also going to try to do this. Yeah, perfect seat. And then now, I don't really want to use other thrusters, like the gray thrusters, but I'm going to use like some of them. Actually, I'm going to use them all. That's a lot of thrusters. Okay, now for the golden harpoons. Now, what can I see? I'm just going to do a bunch of random seats. You see, there's a reason why I have these. What, Daddy? Oh my gosh, I just started playing. Now, we really don't need any other harpoons, because we already have the golden harpoons, and they're basically, they went on for it. Unless they break, of course, but I can change that. Okay, 1 second! Coming! Anyways, back to making my thing. Alright, how many hearts do I have? Okay, 45. Interesting. Oh, my friend. I am making vid. Do not call me. Okay, this should get his attention for a while. Let's just place these harpoons. Wait, we have 45, right? Okay, 42? Which is like 22 or something. Okay, no. I'm just gonna place harpoons everywhere. Is that the very center? No, that's not. I hate myself. He thinks he's so cool with all of those, but I have more. Like a lot more. What the? What? I need to select all of them. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Can you not get up that? Bro. Okay, this, make sure everything's. Can you get off my boat, please? Okay, so now let's make some finishing touches. Okay, so I'm going to save this, and then let's see how it goes. Oh no, the thing just falls. Oh no. Oh my gosh, it really lags the game. Okay, and then I'm also going to put okay. Why did you put that there? Oh my gosh. Oh, great. No. Right as I say that, the thing goes up. Like, very up. Now, I want that to actually be right there. And then I'm also going to try to get all the way to the top. And then put something. You had to use a fly glitch up there? Oh my gosh, just one more. Just one more. Oh my gosh. No, but I don't want to mess with my hunter. Okay, we'll just go to some insanely high height, but not the highest. Okay, that should be good. Oh, the lag. Why does it extreme? Why does it go down? And then it just goes basically like all the way up. And then up here, I want to put something. I want to put a servo. I think I have to take on it. Now this is a cool magnet thing that you probably already know. But you can do is servos. But I should probably put another portal, but I don't have any portals. So the code is to like flip it into the right size. Is that. That should be it. That. What are you doing here, Noah? Go away. Go away, Noah. Okay, left. Oh, that's the wrong way. Dun 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 dun. That work? Oh my. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Perfect, dudes. Alright, and then we place any type of block. This is my favorite kind of way to like build it. You don't have to put a block there, but it's like better to put a block there. Let's just go through all of this. And then put that right there. And then boom, I'm done. This. And then it can do this. It's basically an arm launcher. Now I don't know how Jesse TC made like moving and stuff. It's actually really hard to make moving, like, you know. I'm gonna take that and then like put it this way. Then launch, I guess. You can actually make the thing spinning. And also with this build, you're also able to make like you're also able to make like stuff like able to like clear the whole world basically. If you have the shields for it, you can basically like clear the world. Now if I had another portal, that would be the best. Noah, are you trying to compare mine to yours? Bro. Mine's even bigger than yours. What are you talking about? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that's my real one. Okay. Now let's put my fake one down there. Wait, why do I need that one to be there? I just put it up here. Easy. Oh, and it fell. Because according to science, that is supposed to happen. So I need to put anchor. Oh my gosh. I hate it when I have to put anchor block. Because you can mess up like everything. Look, even the thing isn't working. Oh, like right there. Right behind you. And you can temporarily... Oh no, I'm going down there. Reload it! Oh my gosh. Why is this such a hard thing? Okay, I just wanted to show off the thing, alright? Okay, hold on. Let me do some final touches. I was trying to show you how you can, like, make an arm like. Okay, let's save this real quick. And then now you can like turn the servos. And then with this cool thing, you can also like you can also clear the world. Like I'm gonna just take that portal down there and then take it up here and put it right there. Also anchor block off. And then I want to turn this way. And then pop the extreme music. Wait, where did it go? And then this is the arm handling machine. It like moves the arm. It's pretty cool. So and that chair just fell. Okay, that's funny. Like I want to like do this and like put that right there. If that makes any sense. Okay, so like all on anchor. And make sure this is anchored because it needs to be. Now I can... Does everything really have to be anchored, even the thing that's controlling? Wow. No? Did someone break this? What just happened? Everything's unanchored. I don't... Oh, okay. So, I can take this and then put it back down. Anchor block on. And then I can, like, keybind this to here. And now it's working. Okay, there you go. So with this, you're able to, like, do stuff with it. Okay, gonna go ahead and save this. I'm going to turn on the magnet. This way. And I'm going to sketchily put my shield generator down. It shouldn't be floating. Again. It's not going where I want it. Oh! I should have just done it this way. That's so much easier. I think the servo speed is like very fast. And then you launch. And it like clears all the blocks, some of the blocks for you. Now note you are able to do this with the levers, so it's kind of risky. It's actually better. Now we're going to take this for a run. Now I don't want this to keep on running because I'm afraid it might, like run out of battery. If that's even possible. This thing fell again. Why is that? Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna have to remove this. Everything's unstable right now. I don't understand. Can Noah just leave? Like, can you leave? Like 10 minutes, please? He has no idea I have a spy drone. I'm like, hey dude, I have a spy drone. Like, what? Okay, test number 1. Okay. Now I'm going to like, where's my button? Where's my buttons? I always have a trouble finding my buttons. Now I'm going to make sure I fall down now. Oop. What in the world just happened? Oops. I knew I should have put my thing far away. I forgot the thrusters were there. It's like, oh my gosh, I forgot the thrusters were right there. He's like, oh my gosh, he's like in his head. He's like, what? He's so confused right now. I bet you $1 million he's confused. He's so confused. He has to be very confused. Like, very, very, very confused. Oh no, I need to put these in a different place. Yeah, fall down. Ow, my eyes! You know the viewers would hate that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Apparently he says that's quote unquote fun. Which I don't really understand. Are you a weirdo? Okay, I'm going to put it here. Because like that happened. That happened. Okay. Okay, don't mind me. I'm just gonna do this. You're way too lazy. I'm going to like put the camera right there. Now that's like super glitched in. I can delete these butter blocks. And I'm going to save this. And then I'm going to place a button right here and resave it again. Okay. Can this? Okay, test number real 1. Okay. Going to delete the pole. And it should fall down. No? Alright, I'll keep it floating. I'm going to select all in on anchor. Oh no. I'm going to... No, I didn't press the button yet. That is actually pretty cool. Although my seat falls. No. Stole my jetpack! Wait, oh. That me. That is me. You stealer. You steal from other people? Just because I cannot. What is happening? What did you do, Noah? Did you press a button? Did you press a button? What is happening? You wanna know how much thrust that actually makes? That makes a lot of thrust. Like a very lot. Dude, that's a lot of speed. That's actually a lot of speed. Hey dude, since you love jetpacks so much, how about you try my new jetpack? Here. Want it? Here you go, some jetpacks. I can make that even farther, Noah. So far, that's even higher than the limit can even go. Like, you can't even reach that with a jetpack. It's basically impossible to get up there. Besides, you use a chair, of course. And yes, that is how many seats, thing I have. Now sit on my thing. Now I'm going to take my chair. I wonder how big this is going to be. Look at how many lines. Sit. Come and sit on the chair. That isn't even that. Oh my gosh! Even with the table, this thing is like smaller. Time to like blow this guy's mind. Bye. How high is that? Like literally, how high is that? How literal high is that? You're not even able to. No way. Did you know you can't? You're not even able to go up that high with a normal jetpack. Go with angel wings, but I don't know about that. Well, let's look that. Okay. Okay, I have an idea. Maybe I can. No. It's not on the chair. I need it next to the chair. Like, that's below the chair. Okay, that's good, I guess. Now I use a jetpack to get on the seat. And then the game is literally lagging just because of this. Go! Oh, game froze. Jeez, the game isn't even loading. The stages, they're not even loading. They're not loading anymore. Like, the thing is corrupted. I can't even see the ground. Quick view up here. What the? Oh my gosh, this is so high. When I'm gonna see if you can actually reach like the top. It's good. You can even see my own. You can even see that. Oh. Wow, it just left. Are you even able to? That's the exact max height. That's funny. Dude, that's funny. Like, imagine like being on the max height and a chair is literally right there. You're so close to your accomplishment, but only the barrier is your barrier. Dude, that's so far up. This is the height. This is like right here. Are you even able to place a block here? Am I even placing a block in the way? Can I even reach this high? I need to put one like right there. Yeah. We'll see if I can make it this high. Dude, this is incredible. Wait, now it's stuck. Okay, we are able to reach this height. But that's our maximum. That's our maximum right there. I don't know, maybe 0. We're literally that close. That flipping close. Now, of course, you can do some kind of weird thing like this. What? We always do this. Old way. But, dude, that is really fun. That is really far. That is like so far, and like no legends can go up there. That is so far. Like you can technically go to that height with a jetpack using like the launch. I can launch myself, but that is very high. That is super duper high. Okay, yes! Yes, bro! Yes. Okay, and then suddenly we get to max height and you're not even able to go up anymore. Gravity is not existent. And that thing falls. Ground. Dude, that's epic. No! Dude, I have to do that all over again. This is really high. And you actually left me. Whoa! Oh, no. Lag. Lag. Now, if you want to ever... Like, you need 46 pistons. Dude, I spent, like, all of my money just to do this. I only have 3. Dude, this is... Like, I can't even go that high. Wait, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Oh, wait, I'm at max. I didn't realize. It looks like I'm not even at max. Now I'm at the top. By using a jetpack. Or shall I say a glitch. I'm going to destroy all and, like, try to... Okay, guys, that'll be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoy. And goodbye.